Find the volume of solid generated by a revolving the area bounded by the ellipse 25x square plus 9y square equal to 225 or x square by 9 plus y square by 25 equal to 1 about the major axis and the minor axis. It is also important. First, we can take y square by 25. So here major axis is the y axis ellipse. Minor axis is the x axis. Why? Because that length is here 5 comma 0 major axis minus 5 comma 0. When we can take x equal to 0, then y values are plus or minus 5. If x equal to y equal to 0, then the x values are minus 3 comma 0 and 3 comma 0. X values are plus or minus 3. Why? Because the x coefficient, x square coefficient has minimum value, y square coefficient has maximum value. So in that case, the what is the major axis, what is the minor axis means. So from the numbers only we can say that. Okay. Here first we can find out about major axis. First we can write the given equation. What is the given equation? The given equation is the ellipse, that is 25x square plus 9y square equal to 225. If they have given this equation means the whole equation is divided with 225, then 25 ones are 25 nines are 9 ones are 9 25s are 225 225, like that we are getting this equation, that is r x squared by 9 plus y squared by 25 equal to 1. This is one equation. Here we can find out the first case, volume about major axis. Volume about major axis means y axis is the major axis. Then here put x equal to 0, minor axis value is 0, then we get y square by 25 equal to 1. From this y square equal to 25. So y equal to plus or minus 5. So the limits are plus 5 and minus 5. What is the volume about the major axis means? Volume of solid generated by a curve by ellipse about major axis then V is equal to integral a to b pi into x square dy. Okay. Here what is x square? From this x square by 9 is equal to 1 minus y square by 25. Okay. Here x square equal to 9 into 25 minus y square by 25. That is the value. That it is equal to limits are minus 5 to 5. Pi x square is 9 by 25 into 25 minus y square dy. Okay. That is equal to 9 pi by 25 right outside, integral minus 5 to 5, 25y minus integral minus 5 to 5 y square dy. That is equal to 9 pi by 25. 25 is a constant. Dy integral dy means that is y, limits from minus 5 to 5 minus y square integration is y cube by 3, limits from minus 5 to 5. It is equal to 9 pi by 25 into 25. 5 minus of minus 5, upper limit minus lower limit, minus 9 pi by 25, 5 cube, 3 right outside, minus 5 whole cube. It is equal to 25, 25 cancel, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 into 9, 90 pi minus 3 ones are 3 threes are 3 pi by 25, 5 fives are 25, 25 fives are 125 minus into minus plus 125. It is equal to 90 pi minus 3 pi by 25 into 125 plus 125, 250. 25 ones are 25 tens are. It is equal to 90 pi minus 3 tens are 30 pi. It is equal to 60 pi cubic units. It is the volume about the major axis. Next, to find out the volume about the minor axis. Second one, for minor axis, put y equal to 0, then the equation becomes x squared by 9 equal to 1, x square equal to 9, x limits are, x values are plus or minus 3, means the limits from minus 3 to plus 3. Then volume is equal to integral a to b pi y square dx. Here, the given equation is x squared by 9 plus y squared by 225 equal to 1. Okay, here what is y square? Y squared by 25 equal to 1 minus x squared by 9. Y square is equal to 25 into 9 minus x squared by 9. So it can be written as integral minus 3 to 3 limits pi y square is 25 by 9 into 9 minus x square into dx. Here write outside 25 pi by 9 into integral minus 3 to 3 9 dx minus integral minus 3 to 3 x square dx. It is equal to 25 pi by 9. 9 is a constant. Integral 9 dx is 9x, limits from minus 3 to 3, minus x square integration is x cube by 3, limits minus 3 to 3. It is equal to 25 pi by 9 into 9 into 3 minus of minus 3 minus 3 cube by 3 minus 3 whole cube by 3 is equal to 25 pi by 9 into 9 into 3 plus 3 6 minus 1 3 get cancelled. Here minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9 minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9. It is equal to 25 6 150. 150 pi, this 9 get cancelled, minus 9 plus 9 18, 9 ones are 9 twos are 25 twos are 50 pi. It is equal to 100 pi cubic units. Here volume V is equal to 100 pi cubic units about minor axis. Volume equal to 60 pi is cubic units about major axis. This is the problem. Next problem, find the volume of solid generated by revolving ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 about x-axis. X-axis is a major axis. That is, we can draw the ellipse. This is the major axis. So for the major axis, minor axis is the y-axis. For major axis means we can take y equal to 0, then we are getting x values are plus or minus 1. It is minus a comma 0. This is a comma 0. For the y-axis limits, minor axis limits, if put x equal to 0, we get y is the plus or minus b, that is 0 comma b and 0 comma minus b. These are the limits. Okay, this is the ellipse equation. Now we can find out the volume means. So first we can take the given equation, given ellipse equation, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. In the first case, what we can find out? Volume of the solid generated by the curve ellipse about x-axis. About x-axis means that is a major axis. That is equal to, about x-axis means that is equal to integral v is equal to a to b pi y square dx. V is equal to integral a to b pi y square dx. Why? Because about x-axis. For that, we can take the curve x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. About x-axis means we can take y variable is equal to 0. Then x square by a square is equal to 1. From this, x square equal to a square. Then x values are plus or minus a. Those are the limits. And for the curve, from the curve y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square. Let it be equation 1. This is since from 1. And cross multiply y square equal to, taking the LCM, b square into a square minus x square by a square. Right here, v is equal to limits of x minus a to a pi y square is equal to b square by a square into a square minus x square into dx. This is a constant right outside, b square pi by a square integral minus a to a into a square minus x square into dx. That is v is equal to b square pi by a square into a square integral minus a to a dx minus integral a to minus a to a x square dx. It is equal to b square pi by a square into a square into integral dx is x limits from minus a to a minus b square pi by a square, x square integration is x cube by 3 minus a to a limits. Here a square get cancelled. V is equal to b square pi into a minus of minus a minus b square pi by a square into a cube by 3 minus of minus a whole cube by 3. That is equal to b square pi a into a 2a minus b square pi by a square. Here taking LCM, 3 is the LCM, a cube minus into minus plus a cube, that is 2a cube. Cube and square cancel. Okay, here taking the LCM, 3 is the LCM, 2 3s are 6a b square pi minus 2a b square pi. 6 minus 2, 4. 4a b square pi by 3 is the answer. So volume is equal to 4a b square pi by 3 about the x-axis. That is the major axis. Similarly, we can find out the minor axis. The given curve is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Okay, let it be equation 1. Here, y-axis is minor axis. About y-axis means find out volume about y-axis. That is nothing but put x equal to 0. Then y square by b square equal to 1. Y square equal to b square. Y equal to plus or minus b. Okay. Next, from 1, we know that about y-axis means volume is equal to integral sum a to b pi x square dy. That is the volume. Okay. Here we can find out the x square value. X square by a square equal to 1 minus y square by b square. That is taking LCM b square minus y square by b square. From this, x square equal to a square into b square minus y square by b square. Now, the volume of solid generated by ellipse about y-axis, that is the minor axis, is v equal to integral a to b pi x square dy. That is equal to y limits are minus b to b pi x square is a square by b square into b square minus y square into dy. Write outside the constant values. V is equal to a square pi by b square integral minus b to b square minus y square into dy. Write separately a square pi by b square. From the first term b square, write outside integral minus b to b 1 dy minus a square pi by b square integral minus b to b y square dy. Here b square cancel. It is equal to a square pi into 1 dy integration is y, limits from minus b to b minus a square pi by b square. Y square integration is y cube by 3, limits from minus b to b. It is equal to a square pi upper limit minus lower limit minus b minus a square pi by b square into upper limit b cube by 3 minus lower limit minus b whole cube by 3. It is equal to a square pi b minus of minus plus b, that is 2b, minus a square pi by b square, b cube by 3 minus into minus plus b cube by 3, taking LCM, 3 is the LCM, b cube plus b cube, 2b cube. B square cube cancel and taking the LCM, 3 is the LCM, 2 3 is a 6 a square b pi minus 2 a square b pi. 6 minus 2, 4 a square b pi by 3 is the volume. Therefore, volume equal to 4 a square b pi by 3 is the volume of the solid generated by the ellipse about the minor axis or y-axis. This is the solution.